YouTube, what's up guys? Welcome back to Tampa Boys Customs. Check out this mini trail we got today, guys. I believe it's a knockoff one. It's actually a 90cc. But guys, this thing is so mint. Like, it is beautiful. It came from a collector, so it's only got 200 original miles on it. I haven't searched the VIN or anything yet to figure out exactly what it is. But look at this thing, guys. There's the mileage, you see it. Then we got that little yellow dirt bug thing right there, a little Baja from my little brother and sister. It runs and rides. It needs the carb cleaned out, a couple things. The blue one runs too, but it's got a weak spark and it's got some bad fuel in it. So it just needs to be gone through and cleaned up, and she'll rip. I can't wait to make a video riding this thing. It's gonna be fun. I've been wanting one of these little monkey bikes for years. They're just so much fun. Sorry about that, guys. I got cut off. Mr. Nate from Go Karts and Gone Fishing was calling me, messing up my video. Gosh, dang. You ain't getting no shout out in this video, bud. Alright, guys. Back to the mini trail. Like I said, I'll figure out what it is, the model and all that stuff by the VIN. I know it's a Chinese knockoff. Obviously, you can tell. It's not a Honda. But for the price this thing was with the little mini bike, you couldn't go wrong. I have so many of these little 110 and 50 motors and 70 motors laying around, so I can keep this thing running for many years. So it was really cool to go grab it up. The guy said he had like 10 people trying to come get this thing before I did, so it would have been gone quick. And then we got that little dirt bug there for my little brother and sister to ride at the next TVC race. That way they can, get in some of the racing. Alright guys, here's where I got off the trailer, get a better look at it. It's got that chrome all over it. That chrome adds so much horsepower. That's got to be at least 5-10 horsepower for each piece of chrome there. Got the chrome shocks. So that breather is broken on the carburetor right there where it hooks up to the carb there. So I'm probably going to end up replacing that or fixing that one. And then the filters inside, I open up the filters and the filters are just deteriorating. So all that stuff's going right in that carburetor, and that's why it's giving that rough ride on it, rough run. Man, guys, wait till I get this thing cleaned up and run. It's going to be a blast. I can't wait to do a top speed run on this thing. The tag says it does 50 or 60 or something, but I don't believe that. And then there's the little, keep forgetting what it's called. It's called a Baja dirt bug. There it is. Baja dirt bug. How about that? It's just got the little 97cc on it right now, but that's perfect for my little brother and sister, They're only, I think, 11 and 12, so it'd be a good little bike for them to learn on. Big shout out to AAP, Armed American Patriot, for these beats, man. Go check that guy out, man. He does some awesome live streams, too. Got some killer crops. Go check him out. I can't wait to get towed in this thing and get this little thing ripping, guys. I'll do a video of it on the first startup and stuff and getting it running and all that good stuff. And the little yellow bike too. So as always, guys, appreciate all you guys watching, man. All the awesome comments, all this amazing support in the live streams. You guys are freaking awesome. Can't thank you enough, man. Stay tuned. I'll have a video of this thing up and running in no time. Oh, I thought the video was over. I forgot I put this in there. We got Sweet Pea and the big trike and the 420 sitting over there. That's a Predator 420 on the left, a 301 in the middle, and a 212 on the right. From big to small, guys. We got every Predator you can think of except for the 670. Somebody wants to sponsor and buy me a 670. I got a perfect cart for it. Heck yeah, guys. 2 awesome scores today. I had to get this video out quick. I want to show these bad boys off. Alright, guys. As always, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one, man. Peace.